for mutrima bobil and a better energy amia de say jumedi abro na say wo pese wunyan cheche mu bia fa jumedi hu a obetma fra ho matrufui +44794761631 +44794761631 the family show ana delving into the root cause of your problem. The family show apramani apai so ne yesane akuagu awiem. The family show ye pewo haw ne nadugubre. The family show ye ka fisem ne ya penipu masibre. Na dwumadie eba wa kwan mu memrinda bia abra abo anwumre nonan e wo VB television so e wo Facebook. Na dwumadie de sine na so a obeji dwumadie gongongo ni yoyoyo. Na watena dwam atoto niema e lady pastor Vida Boatin. Na abedwafo anyansafo ne abedwafo amutrima bobew ene beta na chi amye de say dwumadie abraw. Na se wo pese wunyan cheche mu bia fa dwumadie hu a obetma fra ho matrufui +44794761631 +44794761631 the family show ana delving into the root cause of your problem. The family show apramani apai so ne yesane akuagu awiem. The family show ye pewo haw ne nadugubre. The family show ye ka fisem ne ya penipu masibre. Na dwumadie eba wa kwan mu memrinda bia abra abo anwumre nonan e wo VB television so e wo Facebook. Na dwumadie de sine na so a obeji dwumadie gongongo ni yoyoyo. Na watena dwam atoto niema e lady pastor Vida Boatin. Na abedwafo anyansafo ne abedwafo amutrima bobew ene beta na chi amye de say dwumadie abraw. Na se wo pese wunyan cheche mu bia fa dwumadie hu a obetma fra ho matrufui +44794761631 +44794761631.
Good afternoon. Welcome to LP Vida Boatin channel, VB television. You tune in say the family show so. Ya mo akwaba ene ewie biem e de ba VB television. And then so yasa tanasi bim yenya tanasi say dia na che say eye ensembebre abusuane abusuan ho adwendwene ene ye de betena aha ene wonyame asem a wode adom ye baby a wo bia mepese wo be share video no e dia maye na monti ene ye wo ha muni ho aye ni ho ye mamo Merry Christmas so ye say December mu ane ye de ye wo no ye namu nti ye kwa no onyame onhyiramo ene momode mo a mode ye de echa ye nechi say last week ye de adesua bi ye de ebaye na ne ye twa so ye part 2 ye 2 this let it go na ade ba kwa na ye ka ho asem se ye bobo niema bebre so ma ye hu yie se ekwan ba ne ye befa so ama sa niema we akọ let it go edie na wonua ye wo edie na eba abusuan ne abusuan ntama me ne papa ene emma ekunu ene eyire edie ba na ya na ekoso a ye ntumi emfa nche ehunye sa adwene no store eniama bi a eye good na eno no ntan kai ne mo se ne obi ba ye no ebe ye ne ya no eno na adwene so for my yeti asem ehunye sa Joseph hu ne nuanom no o ma ne koye let it go o se mamu mane ham sem ye dey moton me na onyame ni nti a wode ne ye dey ekopie ho ama me bisa asofo question say na Joseph mi hu ni ye say ba bia na nyame di na duro no eno nti no o ma no ekoye because na osuro awurade and sana obetimi ama let it go aye adwuma no because na wankasa no osuro awurade na onyame okonkron ye dey echiwo mo sofo me hu ni bi say ne ye di na chi no ono oboye no odi emfum so nyina ye de eche sanse ya na ne ye aba de selfo no na ye je ye niema ye sika kodi wie ye na ye sa ba ye ne papa sa ton pono ye de e de ma ye let it go enti so ye Kristo ni a let it go everything no manenko so ask question say do you let it go na ye question ene me pese obetimi abam ye bewuram awo emma ene eja entem ye bewuram awo oyire ene ekunu entem ye bewuram awo anamfo ene namfo entem edie no wadamfo bi de wa ye ayewo akodum pempensuo se wontimi let it go wontimi emanenko osafo sabwati wo ha me nwuro su bebre mekono hono mo na mene no akwa nkomo ene awie sane munim sa awie bre onyame nanu so a wode ne ye de eboa ye e wo VB television the family show eso no me kono osofo
Amen.
me mo apa aba
Yeah.
Ono ye fe na o
Nyame shira.
da bia nyame guso a osiesie wo
Sanity.
nim sa na so de wa prepare wo because last week no sa na ma me no ha wa dwene kakra and ene no o sa last week me di wura mu ama wo hu se ye ka no asofo mu kura no let us go enim me de na ye me won si me platform so biem ade na ye Christopher na ye ma no nko let it go e de na na so wo e de mai
Yo, mami nyame shira. Etiefo onyame shira mo bebre wo ene awie so. Eya disua yesua free nyame asemu. Na afi ye apply edeba ye na brabo mu. Enti se wo ye setie edema afutuo ya ebeboa wo ama watimi akọ anim e wa brabo mu. Efri se esase yesua free ye ho na ne nipa bi afamu ananse ne atu obi no na ye nsoso no ye de aye afutuo kese de ama ye ho nene de me pesa me ka kakra no ye hu se Joseph hu asem kakra se o ma ne koi na ene me ka asem bi a matu din se let it go no anso no ahu asem na emom afa ne fa ba bi no me ka asem se never pay back evil for evil.
never pay
back evil for evil.
Okay.
Chirese, nia ama yentimi ema no enko. The reason why that we can't forgive and forget no. Eye, chase kwen bi so no yentimi nyemu ye pay back because ye nipa ne dia ye wo no. Aye wakoma ya. Enti aya dwendwene kese de amount ebasa on say you plan always so we pay back to the person. Enti say afio say 6 months or say a month or say a week or you try to plan evil ebasa no obonsam kasa kire o ka wo ye ni say ya unum say ka wo ye say ya pay ni back say ye ni say on say o gbe bi na mo obonsam so ma more evil information it obonsam ma more evil information no afi na ama wanya bonwono akoma e di ama nipa no enti se uje mu ama naka no se we let it go no e be a big problem amount because one abonsam amount evil information wadwin mu nti wadwin mu an se wo de bone no ode ye wo no de wo de koye no be kese kura che ni ono no ede ode ye wo nansa amanye se ye ka na ya no so ye hwa de bi e wo Proverbs chapter 24 verse 29
Proverbs 24:29
or say he said don't say that I shall do this to him as he done to me. I repeat, don't say that I shall do to him as he has done to me. Now, oba yenkasa emu a enkase oye me disade oye me no sa na meye no so
esa boni be kuma boni
I say dear me dia ye wo no Bible say ma wo men kase me de saade no anso be di no se de odidi me so be di bibi be di wo o say kasa na ye ti comfort akapa so odi ade we di me so be di be di wo pa Bible say men kase de nipa bi di aye wo no wo so de saade ebe ye no na hu ye say Yesu wa asɛnnua no so no ne nsɛm baako ɔka ya no so boa yɛn kɛseɛ ɛwɔ Luke chapter 23 verse 34 Luke 23 verse 24 Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing, as we already know. Luke chapter 23 verse 34 Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing. Eja fache wono na onim ne dey woye. And so yes, we can say egofo no a omo ye no ayaya de wa asenia no so no. Na they know.
They know what they are doing.
They know what they are doing. But yes, who ni mu se omuti humu asia nka saade no ko omunye omunti asie no e no de aye saade no ati asie obi ye bibi a wo ye according to the knowledge ni nimdie mu enti so obi nimdie buru ni ono nimdie so ka saade we dey I won't do it because me nimdie no e kire me se ade wo ya ngu asie ade wo ya afaso bi e ni so ba almost ye na yakayaka de wasemi ano so no Yesu no yiye se eja fa che wonom forgive them oh fa che wonom fi se wo munim ne omoye pa enko omonye enti kire se let it go Yesu wa asemi anso no wa boda wo mo de omoye kora nebo osa apili ma wo mo se ewurade fa che wonom enti eno no se wunua enkase de wunua bia ye wo no meso meye ne saa enti no ho ase na mpese ne wo e ba ba mu
ene ye asem kase enkase ne wunua e de aye wo no meso meye wo saa nyame asem o se na awurade behiehia wo na wo hiehia ye na brabo eka eno so obe mame ehun muaye kakra wo enu nti no don't pay evil to evil nia oya evil no enfra urade efro bonsam enu nti nkasa nia menua na ye me no meye ne bi ana nyame asama me ache ase so wono urade obe nya ye ne ebehiehia nipa no no urade be dey obehiehia wona wo hiehia ya bra boka enti ebia na obi ade obi aye dey atetankruwa mu ebia na obi aye wade bi a ya hohiehia ehiehia wo ha wadwene let it go
simple
enti no you have I was so ye dey woman eko na so for say simple how many people and let it go anytime they remember as a day happened what happened they remember with sharing testimony to someone, encourage someone, or they remember for pain, the pain
that they are passing through.
Because let it go. We're supposed to be careful because say anything you do to someone, when you say the brain story, I store when it leave. And say anymore, let it go. Anytime be a woman, not just say. Ni corona ide abre sofo
okay
enti eno ye one me so me de kakra me de bede obama me hu mo aye wo no ba ena no me pese ye mfa nwura sanim di kan bobo so no eja ene emma adenti na eja ene na bitimi kasa me wu a mayi asukora ensi ho let it go
okay say nya ye sua no say addition na ma ya kira say jemu manenka say ma wire mfiri you ani firi so
yeah
say benefo ka say obanivu na so a ye pipa ye ntwa ntwene say wo so wo twa de a ene wo twa onipadua no nyina ene no adwen so gu ha wo twa to atwene ene no ane agu ha wo twa to atwene enti so say o figu wo yemu so a ubeyi wo yemu ade ni nyina ato agu ne kese wa wo nipadua no wa hin enu nti ena ye mpanifo kan se abofra adigu na so ana odwinsogu na so a ye pipa ye ntwa ntwene e kire se ayawira wo sam awawie ye brenu se obehwe no abofra bi kura timi ka se oh de me maame me nkasa no ho da ampa no obehwe no onkasa no ho a maame no ana papa no family no onkohwe wo mu kura so wo mu ni so wo mu te sei so wo mu aduru sei se de am se ekobasa de a na omuko too far because Bible say jemu manenka let it go enye nyame akwa kire se ye wasase so die wo ye den nipa be fom wo ye den nipa obu ha na ni dan ho so pa na de na ode ye wo no ode ye wa wu se intentionally no ode ye pa but the thing is say you go to me come out you can't fight for your own I say jemu mewrade cause one of the na say intentionally no obeya akopem se wa ankasa be no say yes wo de di wa ankasa eno ba sa ekon no nye wo kon wo de an se hwe na yesa wo hwe ohun si yi na mu se awurade estati se wo tene ne nsa e wo no so a ho na be hu say yes that punishment na wo de ma wo kra no ono no de na wo de ma wo kra esua enti ekon no esi eja ma awurade nti se ebia ye kasa wo ya awofo ana wo ye eba na in other way no onu maame e wo grudge ana say you won't talk to your mom or your dad ana dad so we ja oba ana oba ba ana oba be ma so apam na frifie ana say de say eyere ana ekunu so a ye meka no say eya de ya o on say woni no anya asem no ade achi afoforo beba eno so ba make say wiase a wotie ne de kan be say ahwe ye a Yesu nyamae no obeni nipa be empempem na ede ebe crash enti no tin ye kan say let it go in other way forgive and forget
enu tin ye kan say forgive and forget let it go. Mother, you find difficult to forgive your son or your daughter. Akola wanyi no abosome nkron akwantu emubre obedru asasi so entity a wodi na fam wanyina kodu baabi they say empo hello keke kra no abo edru baabi akodu mpempen so se obi di ato na dwirimo o maame ye baifuo o maame ye se nsem bebre na enu nti me maame me mo ni din da me papa me mfie no me nhwe no wahwa ma wosia ye de afifi abosome nkron akwantu mu enti no adenti na wontumi let it go na wonya emfa me urade. Mothers and fathers, try and then forgive and forget. Yan ye bede ye be fomo enti ye fomo a ye amonye dey monfa enche san ye be ya ensi monpai boy dey ehho kwan osofo onyame enhira o edu ba bi nso a menka we emre mumu sai kakra se adana asa eja ana eba yawo na o maame eye wade a wontumi emfa nche no na wo papa eye wade a eye pain a ye go through nti ana sani wodi kan cheche mu last week be se me hu eye awofo because hu ye say enka ya ba ta de wo da passion no ti se ne Yesu enya sa passion ye de ede maaye pa sa wo komu a maame bi ne bati ado nwoma so den adenti ne ntumi enko
yes they are amasa no ma we nyina no etimi ba saa ne se
ani tie mro so
eye aha ye ne tie mro so kwa so ni mom eye ya wo mro so
okay
ati ase fi se ena no edwendwene ahwe se ofa so wo abofra no bi kura awo mu ha osi sofa ye e won pregnancy mu ana afenu achi no akwala no titie mu na afi kwala na bedum pempenso bi na onfa ne nyehwe no ba dia na meta kan se eze se ye awofu ana se eba wo se hin o ye nyina awofu kwa na meka ne se omo ye nte ase se Bible say emrani said the Timothy kan ne emrani be kwa wi a awofo mamu asodin ebeba ye say enkwala be ya asodin enti dia aka ne say ubenya ntobo ase na watete abofra no ne ekoso a enye bia wo de nomsuo fansuo bu wo kakra na to bo ase a gas say I say usu tumrika ayeyi a be mfomso wo because ye dru ewiase bi amase we are in the time chese enwofra no ene bone adoso wo wiase enti se wan to obo ase wo de wo ye bi emu a wo di mra awso no wo di bimbuo wa godifo enti basa se wo to obo ase na ni abofra ne eye nyina no ato obo ase ama no na de no ma to fam ne bo so be ni kitikiti di a ene wo ni mra awso no onsa enka oba sound say ye anya awofo ne emanko a
ye be ko ho
so what you say ni aka nyina sa kwan so adeda enti ne basa na wan kasa wo hu yese na ese se nya ho abotra emudo What you see as a bad time. Enti wo yo we na abofra no bon say te say oba de self wa yusu anada no. On say nia eja no o de abofra no ye na broadcast san no. On say oto no bo asema no a ba onim se kwa okro no. Enko yi because say wubu eja ne na nim tia onim se ni wa akoto won enko yi. Ba akola so ko ya anko yi no ba ye no. What the first year day, no, a side day, a CSC, no, I say, year party, case here, the man. And to where this you are dear, the man say, my no more caca, no, we are tree, was in my one. If we say influencer, a free now for 4 and Colana Gilmono. A blossom party, young woman else is steady warm, near who quite ever so I day, ye become one not funny, impo, papa mo bonimo, what ye young fan sana, yen woman until we yansem, send the day and Sabeca.
Papa mo bonimo, ye no woman until a one yansem, we san say, or penny, a one sana, akra, eba, near one hono, wonya any day, in hobby. We welcome you once again to the family show, so. And I am more probably baby I will be order for Miss Row, so be a day, over share video non abwa. Over to me, I call YouTube and so I will honor more a year, you my boy LP by the boatia. Once I ever can, I will honor more. Over to me, I share programs I yen na so a day. Ebuho I bet me a bow. The family shows we are bossy a besha bushian crying, ye didn't yamia some bema one. Now for ya can't bushian and for any night abo so for. We are only here say as a self forgive and forget. As a mother, maybe so a question, it's a family, young fanya day, and you tell you. Now, for so, mamma, for sending your mere quackine, young one pie your man corano day and night, my nya or me a day, sa, sunny a beya, or one for in your pine and mammy rough family, any family in them. Who I was up on a show, said your mon count on a come on to and I don't boy nothing. Made the woo me with some question about marriage. But I bet me an auntie or money I drink crow. Now, bet me a day some a chichi am home issue. A dear consequence, and a deba a wawa reading, because she no. Ye are wonderful, ye banantia Brian Adrian Crow. I will be against me. I was sap on a motona yet, now sadi and a bar, a dear consequence, and a deba a wawa reading.
Okay, mammy, I mean, sure, dear Tennessee. But no betman until Monia Adrian Crow. At Tennessee, Nemo, Obiani wa. Or was as one one not for that.
Okay.
Tiasie. And now, Unibias for can I say, my medias for can see on the or Bewarino. Send you city no shame dripu. What you say, no shame dripu. None of them that will come. See me no more ye now, no bearman will need you. Sounds not bearman so or mobile beshi, no bearman so ancient envelope. And to Namina Hena, more need the whole say. Nebo and now say abrabo ayechiwa aha chiwa no just abrabo and go straight forward into no sometimes you meet crashes nipa die I say a seleketrema no matter how mo be crash one and no me idea important I say it na udina ho awari jaye bebre ekoso nyina no I say Yenye mu manin kano eni ho ye tie say anyone say I say em from so empa nipa ho
okay
enti from so na aba enti mo sha ase so na nya saa na tie enti si a sha ase na nya saa na tie de a eni na ne aba no ye fa hye nipa Bible say obonsam de firifiti ase ye money enu ti na onyankopon ba no ba se obese bonsam odwuma enti ba sa de ane ye ahye bonsam na ntemu a no ya pe solution na bom se ekoba sa na se ye be ko atie ye ho a according to 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 15 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 15 or say Monhwe na obi amfa bone entua bone ede eka nebom munni die eye akiri da munni nipa entem monhwe na obi amfa bone entua ede bone ka nebom munni die eye akiri da ewo mo ni nipa eni nipa ntem enti kire se nipa ni nipa ntem no e de yan no a mo be hia how kakra ebo basa de tie me say forgive and forget say ye kan no and let it go kra nanenko na mo ma no konso a abia e de band say e de asomdwie eba aware no e de asomdwie eba maame ne dai mantem awofo ne mantem bi say one say what let go ya wo nyina an wa gem o mi so bonsam ne de ba e ti wo bonsam ade ama no e ti free wo kro no afa montem no asomdwie kese bi abeda ho a afa free wo kro obi abeye steady ati ase afa botimi akomoni mu abrabo mu nti sa na tie
e free wo kro obi abeye steady mo betimi akomoni mu e wa abrabo mu e de anigye enso ye de ewura efie ho na me asemu empo sa wo assembly against union brana o correction kura
Bible say jabu aforbuchi am kura men ko na ko e de ko yensiesie ansa na am say eno ni ade eduro bre bia na enese wo ye hwa enema Christopher
yempe
na awre ho ne se pe ne yempo awre ho ne sa ya homete se de wo kan am say empo no obi kura to mu say oni wo bi eta so den wo de ko fa communion obesi wo sisi ya
obedi
di na so no nia on se enti ase kakra se oni ni nua nyanti ase no obi a pese wo kire se wo yoga ati ase enti wo ho a mesume wo ho enti basa na fei ejina mu den enso sa afo ya no ye ni ane be gina aso dem we are praising God. We are singing to God, we are preaching, and then we are teaching everything. Now, so no, near a war, as I see a ye free war, my own yame, and she let me ban. Let it go.
Let it go. And a higher share 0794 76161 351 0794 7616351. 351. Where your number which may be about the family show, so who outside WhatsApp, meaning a year, Juma, and you know, hand so I bet me a friend and so I bet you why been call time on 18 and made air to Gano. So for as someone maybe someone someone let it go, for our phone tell me and who you say. Empono it missy mon piebo, mon share be one
sir.
And there's some odi can no e idea e koso ha the family show so ye tu abusian nyina efo obi nim don hwe a ewrade ebepi enti anadu da suo mu a me kan sorry we entwem nefa onto aso ebra awarefo mienu no mo da anajo no mo koda no e haw kakra si wo mo entem ana be ma de dane nani hwe be nya awaresam ne yedi ba let it go mo asem ana mpesa me de bam sofo o mo koda no oba na asma o wa asma e wo no enti anajo no be ma ne bu ofu enti no oba na oprapra na because asma na yede aba wo fa ne pompe no wo hwe na chese asa enti obono say omuano because of let it go ebufuo na aba na wa ama na nkonti woni ne happen e wa na otam ne sunye na oja oba no ho e na oye dey okoda ho no oba ne struggle ya na duro na sa e na owu anajo no enti owu anajo no be ma no eba anopo sorry ya okwa adwuma to say hello nothing e na oja oba no ho no ye dey okoye okobe wura mo nwumre no sani okọ no oba ne da ho sani okọ ne pono da ho sani oye ne sa pepepe e ho na na dwene ba no so ofre ne yere no enti okọbo no na chese
gone.
She's gone. Let it go. A sad news chese na ni ba ne ho so no na oba na ewu anadwo no na no wo ofre because of let it go. Ya odofo baby a wo hwe ye bia no. Mama yenye careful, we killing ourselves for let it go ho. Yentumi emfa nche ye ho. Instead of saba akobeka say I'm sorry. Na ye move forward no. Obia ye captain. Enya de amema ho kwan. Ade na no wo ye yentumi mmuo na de abufu akoda. Wonim don hwe a awurade bepi. And the wonim nia amadwene besi. at the moment na we be da wani we be hwe ha we be hwe let it go hono na de owuo betimi ade aba it's too late be ma no wo so na yire ye de chapri ayi ambulance mra wo wu anadwene mu no atam ne sunya ne ye de e de ko yem say mo hwe sorry we mo be hu a meka no program mo be hu e wo kwan bi so o Facebook nyina ne ade ade e wo me say sorry adwuma why can't you let it go forget forgive and forget no matter how situation forgive and forget and just so for nyame shira I was adisia we ya what dey aba do ye do say na make na osanka agidi for bomode no mura program na nka omo be share eniema bia experience bi so many people who experience eniema let it go ediaba so one man na nkwa wo nipa na wo yema show etimi the blood pressure ebro ya wie bebre etimi te wo nkwa ye dey eso wontumi nye ya approach the person nice way na nye de enkasa na just forgive let it go na emwa wampa yeso onyame ma forgiving spirit na entumi mwa ankoyesa ene we kum ni nua we se nyina ekoso nyina ye let it go ene de ye de eba onyame shira onyame akwa mesa ade aba wo so bi asam no ye de eyedu
sa
sad eya ha dwene se ade we koso ntino especially ya na ye ma no awose ye careful ne mema nyina mema bi wo twe asem more than oba
and just said we are kind of well story no ama kasa kura
yeah we
akofom kakra he said
na baby
am say pay evil
to
evil no cause me say me some kind of crime was I do kakra aye yi kakra na dia make na say
adwuma pa
am say dia ama we twi ma adwini so said the ama ene awarija ibebra ba nyina nyina sa no ma so e Christopher omienu asofo de sofma mi nyina mu nyina adwuma ada if say confusion aba confusion no, it doesn't come from God but it comes from the devil until basa we need to sit down we need to take time and say ba akukura bu na afu ko chiri kura no say ba akunya botre na fi otwen ma ba aku akoma dey ekofom na o ma na ni ko no ho and say we ya wa nya afi wa ko ya wa wi e na be nju be say nya na
forgive yourself yeah
you say be say nya na asa akonto pa ni kura bi wa he gone ajase na I will say what the back yen akans Africa no yen blacks mu kura dia titi trinti ni doso dodo so kwano doso dodo enen ye di no so doso dodo am say men pene onya ka say men pene a na am say I will say wo say se ni pa no kura afo no eti ase se obepene kura no a wodi kan ni ne na fufu adidi nkomo ama wo so no ama na dwene wo so ta na chi
mempene
enti wo kura so eni saafo ni nyina be enimi kese enti bo se e basa na threat se the petrol na am say expand ekobe bia am say basa to let it go not they will find difficult because they already test many people the story but one country for and I keep put that story no another problem no within insider.
The next question I'm going to ask you
because for example some year crown na matem out here you and now make a catch them madam for say and pa dear me yem pa kwasia de nyina wa ke catch them until adafo nyadafo papa no and nepa be say and then said ya wa tie pa na no ba di be matem pa de o yes ade a say enu amana adwene a enti afo mana adwene wi a ekire se be ma no kura nya kwan se opese woni ne yire ne yensiesi a wodi kra koton asem na abonten no koton asem na abonten no afa akokro pempen so se o je mu amanaka aye na niwu because hwe janwa ne yire di na tempura no so antimi anye kobo ati ase ba mi wa say enka how do buy na mum mum ye no ntemu a uje bu amanaka enye den oti ase enam sa kwa no so a obehwa na dia wadigyae na pam na dia wadigyae ama enti enu na ama enne titi trintin ewa wade mu enne na ama awo mebre mawo ha no enu na adi saade na aba wiase a emma yentimi nka ye de ye mind dey and say as a one family. No?
Who do you share your problem with? Why na wouldn't share how? Why and as I say, obi from what? Ubona money. Son na welcome. Afutu boni say obrapa. How was see wuni antem? Enipa na wouldn't share no. Nyamia sambai and a tinimu. Adana woni nipa na entrance na monhye na won let it go so wonim dia adan na won pe nipa nyame adom nimdie na wo betumi abo amana ayede let it go because of nti ameka sasem ensate anyina ayede enyepe the family shows because ye di nkomo ewo Kristo mu ani abusia nta me dia ekita me level different ade bi o ha bi asofu wo be hu wo be kono slow ade bi a me hu me nkono that way enti won ye say sa niema we nyina na niema nkichi we na di enya so who do you share your ideas with what in terms of offense obi offend one obi ade ewo who do you share to
okay esa eno ni ade sombo kese pa ka me de meka no say de sese wo kan asam kire no a ye di kan ye wrade ati ase e fa kompa ibu because ni aduro no aya rehosem ati ase aye how bi abeto montem ese dia wo kan no ensate nyina anyepe e bi adamfo a wafa no adamfo no ya adamfo bi a owotibie bi a otimu se ha green kakra enti basa wo so ni na nante enti kwan be na abefa so se obomodin se de gbenya botre de ewo no ho
ne bokura betumi afu because one support no idea na whatever
but
stand your feet say tell the truth to that person
manokure ni nya adu
yes
yes ade atene say media enne mimim susuye mu pa de don't pay evil and say emfa boni ntua boni ka because ye kan no asetena mu abrabo mu o ete aso de mu namfo mu o wo ye den bibi besi
okay
and ye emfa nhye ya adwene mu me ka say bi kro obi wa ye stress and wo different ni fie ba enti ehọ no ade anya gufu kra na ye gufu nti say one ni stress da ode aya gufu ode ba no say wo so wo ni stress na wo de gufu ahia wa na so de se de ahia no so until na Bible can say mo I say me no me no ye fa nimdie ene saafo ne de enante
okay
but I say it is we share Romans chapter 12 verse 17 Romans chapter 12 verse 17 was it never pay back evil for evil to anyone but I say
hello Pacha Wudini baby a okasa free. Oh, your daddy.
Amen.
Oh, nyami wo shira wo bebre papa.
Amen.
Mommy ne kakra mama.
We chia mu nyina wo Yesu din.
Ye jo so.
Amen.
Jo so pa.
We say enya juma pa moye. It's last week. Yeah, we shall say let it go. We say German nka ana je mu man nko. E je na we je mu man.
Mommy volume ne mama.
O ya obi a obi ayewo any brebi or type obi edu was simply ya wani anya ho a obi aye anas e debi obi ya wani nya eno na si je mu man nko it is also ka bibi ade a Yesu kan ya o say e ja fa che wo nuru fine ena Stephen so kan abro mo si na bo asmo kan ya no say e ja fo ben ka wo mo boni ho omuri o moye osuru bie ma no emro hunu so a woke kamu no omle omusi na bo no boku no the American say Joseph no fair mo papa kan last week
yeah
wo ya woni atiti bra wo fair mu Naga ya was so known that I saw a cold year. Now, what do Potiphar see one more one child, yes, a same thing a million. What could do prison one more so? More shank or 14 over prison or no problem, not a hole. And brought children I see, I see a car or young Kaino, meaning I know can't somebody through piano pushing yourself.
I cannot want to.
Can I not to look up him so young coupon? I did I assume the soon fair. Not until I say, baby, I say when you go home and ran off as I said, Joseph, or one I carried that I don't walk. Let it go. And now when you're by and warm. So, no, you're offended. Say, now you're offended.
Yeah.
So, now the new one is that I'm now who will be on. A young ya, you're not my official in Nipa. Why are the and to a shot, said, no, me not even wedding to you any story time with you. Or per quaint be also. Netrina never coming in our buy, or mom baby tonight, every warm. In fact, I am not in case.
I see. I be a regional.
Because I saw for the software crowd, they are logging her house together. One more is a software, as a sort of money, as sort of milk, Sam, a cost. So be percent, Senakai will be your master. So, a quality, never met her, my melodies of one of the job, or everything I could be. And not the mammy, young, I send your kind of maybe, a 100% let's go. Never see, I let you go, a blessings.
No.
Yet, therapy, and the unlock no. Now, maybe you won't let it go, won't let it go, won't let it go. Nippon will say, we'll grow in a week. But the Mandela, I can't say me. I'm not for their fiancé and fiabios and your news from near you. Or play your original prison, Panama. One year near to tear, enough from more prison on. And you one will fail will say yes. And you know, like I said, the original. And so, you will be a prison, Panama. I see what you can't say. Send do a year with our fear. And you know, prison, how you mean? Me, we need to be found with you. It is on the theatre. Or yell at a TPM before the piano, the Jaguha, Namako fear, the free man.
Amen.
And so, and now you look fast in this one because, or bless that's it, or no, so
of course.
When you say you're one of them,
and yet,
what can counsel of way? And it's you. As I said, you know, tell you, I read you. I saw no so your papa, offering also your battle to tell me about what can I say? Sir, we will do a someone. Go back. And then I suddenly baby, offering time young to your choir to us. When you mean we are obeying that crop. You know, we let it go. It's only you are someone who live a one. Now you wash you. You wash you, a shoe, sir, then I can. I do blood pressure, I do my area, and to me, I repeat, and you and yet, I am Cassan in your papa by any I can dream the prepay, to be a young anything just a when I'm here in Abu
oh, bless
you. Car and a year. So, and a year. No, your couple will put any possible or the actual Joseph, every Abraham. So, yes, I said a bad day, the old Joseph for Abraham. Mr. Joseph, I didn't know that Yakafa is wrong. Joseph, ain't a passport loaded by Egypt, no better no about. Give you a time, into a time will fair more like a tour. One in a glass but one. Benjamin Dimitri. And so, what fair more ever doing. Give me a number here, what don't compose was I share one. So, let's see the moment that only look like what some so. And Kayani and Kata. What I can be like some more, I will try some more can and move. You are not at the Joseph and Casa. Was no one Onyankopɔn na ma ho kwan sɛ bi mmra sɛ ne bɛyɛ a akra bebree ɛnwo na mɛsie nkɔ akra ɛkɔm bi na ɛbɛnti
Daddy, Sana Abakoma, Mimi saw a ye kakran, Saja, Yana Minyanka, Lai, Miria, Yananka, me Ote Sonanka, Jami Bisabisa, and Sembi, after programming home. Now, let it go. I want to share yes, Yamisha and the contribution of the Adomie. Now, maybe Sabi be said, Yame afraid, a one yami jumamu, whether I may find Kobe be a ya, software yamu, and I may be sa. Aya then our friend Juma when you may afraid, not so for between the terms and me platforms, wins should be so that last week, let me be sa a whole question or her. And Yamia Quest said there are so far many Abrams no, yes, so many Abrams go ye and king idea. I was a nipper be a day, a shay and so. Na ye kita wants to do one I could do a hinimo. I didn't know a banisa, Papa.
Mammy, that's it, I mean, sure. Because program you of France in the software ABC airport. And we'll boss off of the minutes of Cassivity. And I'll boss off with the dinner and say, and I was a share software. What my wolf by the property. Obama $1 million because I won't matter. Or baby, or baby, one man. Who did you go about? No. We hear you. Just he is full of himself. And you know, Papa, Mammy, adding, Obia, listen, it will be a channel, and the Bible says, I don't know anymore. Officially, you're answer, and you cost so would you be 20, 50, 40, and you women are better than in Casa. But when I saw phobia, everybody have 5 4 more. Everybody 1,000 so form 1 year, did you answer the media man is a one count? I know the threat is soon by a Nipani be your war, and a different museum, and a living rap as of and a Yakuko. And that's a formal society. No one is here, no one said your core money. So, and the I never have. Let it go. You won't be free of pushing.
Of course.
Say the Emma made it tea, and yes, you let it go. The Emma, and one, yes, you are.
Yeah, it was.
And for others, is you almost what was. And so, yet, and you two buy your buyer, and I think you may remember, yes, you and you honor. And you and only a seminal. God bless you. God bless you. And to an uncle, and mobile. And to say a buffalo, not all overcome a buffalo. And to my church, you have it overcome bitterness. So all overcome bitterness are over to me a bishop, archbishop, we are wine, and I'm so willing to party. Dako, baby. So, and the man, you have fighting back against your anger, resentment. And even fear, maybe who said, I did a shower, near physical so for Tico, over so for them coin, over there, sort of coin. And in Tina, yes, you can say, Lazarus was sorry. Maybe I would want to be nanty, they are sitting in inside, or they freedom, and you won't send them on no one call. And you may Christo near and teach the war. Over your software, I could hear a cutia. And to an point that we are so for the mammy, the platform to grow up on the same business.
That in Pacho, Mincho, and Cafra. Mamma Wena, why do I want home and pencil over horses here, Meba? And he said, sorry, be on Pessa Mecana, which I want you to say. So phobia or your soft penny or your word no con any more ye maganimo. Near Fikakra. Nana so funky to ano a beard, a one and a senampo frimo and so for Kituana Baku frimo. As someone, members no Edna may be no can I say. Nan Sassa soften you or Sassa for penny no, one uncle also. I was on if you want my danger or no mum na de flu a brass for penny no papa wa brand new ministry ni one abedum pension I could do level be no e benya enken no ne na sofo anketu atwa no ho ahia no nka won take it over sofo
mami
let's go
everything no I never miss here ministry mu a ya manfo antiase ministry go Ghana sofo no wo na assistance wo training wo ba enam say nipa suni banti no wo training wo mo ye Elisha mo ni tire na mo hwe se na ni siko
yeah
I'm not possible I know more chance I'm more nyahwe I get a chance no person be ma wo nipa wo mo le ka so fa ni na wo bra na nka fa fu na mo be hwe mo no anamba bua na mo abadwuma na kira no wo ne don ko ngu you suffocation the way yeah
be on the any sanko
no nipa su ni bara na ya se nyina ya kwa sorry and so adwene wo Kristo mo no etie mu a ye nim
se eja mfa wo nim ni o
se aya niswa ye nim se ne niswa ye ya prepare ma me na kwa
oh god
so some pan say asafi gate of heaven and that's what was about in there and you na me asafu Odo ya safo o di si ho mu ti se lo di Moses si ho no so on ya safo ti ju bi bia wo kan ho bia be kan ho no ye nyina ya koafo a ye boa se ne ni so ade hu ya wo nya me di ma no na pepe mu ti se bi ko dwin se e tira bi on fru ho na me pa mu na me be bi ade a and o baba no so be dwin se me so bi ti ho no so be di sa ka dia ko e ti bi fi se wo ko no no so fi some mission ko mo bi so fi so no so nko na fe yi na akwa la ehwan enam se I think the binti enti e wo luasi mu politicians mu e wo dwuma mu e wo asafu mu this year ma dwuma mo Kristo mu etre mu se you so for say watching dia e ya media ye ne ye ya ye na ye dia ya mansu baba ye ne wako e be ko ina ba ko nti yakwa ya manu so ba fa no mo so atuwa so nti na ko mo ya mo ba ma ba ya mo ba nti ya meja o na so first do wa hwi no wonu a yan tu asu ne mo ni nyina ne se yanti ne ne ba bi mu a amwa ye
ato
ana o kan so a ne ni pa so betie mpo a nke ye be ye se wo kan wo ta no on ka ma asem when me and you some can come me some can you say don't know on the other na do be jina be bia so won ko benku so won ko bifa so won ko wani so won ko wachi na so for e just simple
erade mu ye mobo
na me won mobo
God bless you. Yamisha bebre. God bless you. Bye. Asafo Felix na wote ne nka e wo line so no wa kire na adwene questions no akọ no so na ono so de na adwene aba. Let it go. We are not finished here. Ye beto aso. Esese ye to aso because ye ade bi a edi enipa ye de enya. E wo baby angles ni nyina ekuye na yenye ya adwene so se ye besesa ya adwene. Me pese ye continue your program we nyame akọ because ni ntia pese ye continue no. Near ya drono called the ministry mu a cost when ye say Bible sing your nim papa no anya no ye bone man wonim pa se awrade didi esiwe ye mu aten wonye right so obekọ ho ba nipa wo ho nti no wonsuro awrade no wo be de wo se enu nti na ye yale ni amane a de eba ye so wonim se wo asewo ya nkanwi so obi tifie kro beka na agene wo ho because say ene na ye nyina so dem wono no eni say ye kwato correction because adie ne ye wotiatia ye ho before say ka mukora na moko no kasakasa to me ye dey happen enkora betumi a hye wobufuo bi a wo goro ho a wani mra ho so no let it go enti abufuo enwinu nkoto so and son na what dia che let it go engineer me kwa so be ma domo dia na so be so be si so dia
ye betimi ato aso
na ye
erade adoma ye mfansia na ye fanto aso nyambo a next week ne ya san komu bio na
hello mpacho wudi ni baby a okasa free
mami me akasa mbasa
ya me shira papa
mami me asembi na me kakre me say Cain ni Abel arenti ije be see
that let you go
ayi tinya me mo amana nko amoni asemono
you kill your brother
so oye ubi o na ye wanye ni no fi se no wo kro mo ko bi se okumo ni ano uko prison se ya asofo ne Christopher ne amanfo okumo no ye ni do mbepio no enye sem ketua because nobody had there want to know amana nko ofo aba pro wo ya body party you believe say brother bi ana no mame o ma Ghana Tumame no so da ya say wa kuma nipa no ka tell say nipa fiye na magu say wo da ba abo wodi ama na gu o da yi ama ka kan yi na ro asai de say obrantie no the girlfriend on no wo ho no wo ba ni bi da na bi na wan ti ase wo ko fa sa arishifo yi a ọmọdé pọ̀ ọkì ibi wọ́n bí fi àbúrántì yìí tí kò pọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀rọ ọ̀nàmọ̀kùn.
You see?
Ọkùnù.
Ẹ̀sì dàbọ̀ náà wọ́n bẹ̀ fi Western US wọ́n bẹ̀ tẹ́ mú ọkọ̀ fún sẹ́ wọ́n kà sọ́dọ̀ wọ́n sẹ́ lọ́kọ̀ yẹ jẹ́ yẹ ẹ̀bùrẹ́ pa. Ẹ̀sì bí ẹ̀kọ́ jẹ́ mọ́ màá ní kọ̀ ya ọ̀bùn sọ́mùdé ọ̀tẹ́ nínú ní wíyẹ̀ yà náà ọ̀tún náà. Wuti ni fana tam wukan da kan ne Kristo ni wuri ya no ba sana tuno aso ro ke sinu inti ni mo wa si ti let go ke na ma yo hu ye no
sa
so eso wo hu no sa papa wo ko ni papa o se ba papa a je ko bo ye pa je ne mo kuno mi na ne papa se hwe se o pe who succeeded in life dear and you say come me and we come me and we go let it go when you let it go a best so ma we did no that it is on that and no get of no ban or that tell you about the class of this my you yes everyone let go you let go you mo ye jumati o na bi sira no
sa
kan ti me wo ye ya ni na ko pa se he mo wa ni o no me da no su
o abobo anu
o ba branca sa iti o fo na ye kan se e no bi o mo ma ni se e mo mo lo ko da last year thank God for this topic the parents let go we are so fences are dangerous and never know why you be seeing and fear do what to say you partner when you get there when you see any local man and I can't answer and I can't say anything but I say listen please then let's go when it's gone it's all I see there my wife
yeah
oh me we am
God bless you bye papa
I'm saying,
you
see here, now to us next week. Didn't answer come be brave, camp, but it record next week.
Yeah,
because I will say, and
don't need to
I'm saying, and you are for or we are man, a crop papa.
So, in the capital. Hello, Pacha, we didn't baby our casa free. Hello. Dicky, good evening, Papa.
Pato, Blaja couldn't Casafi today.
Misha, Papa.
I'm Suntana, Coshi by Siana with the Farmasunum Cemetery.
Yes. Yes, Yamisha. Amen.
You done then mom kwama na me fa so mo dedicate e man for Christosum. Na de me ka fa wo sha kwesi bi se ene no Bible si de oni papa na wa nye no eye boni e di man. Se ye ba sorry nipa ni se eno mo de mu no emfata wu adenti e kwa wu ade didi na oba ko bi. De me ka kra mi nim ene se ye di nka ye mu se enipa ni suru Nyankopon ene na ase se ntin se dan de Nyankopon na sofo so twi ye mfo kasa kire ye na mi se ye accept Nyankopon ya kuma mu nti ye ba so no se de ye Nyankasa ye Nyankasa ye firi ye de aye pe ene de ba so nti Nyankopon nsam o de ma ye na shek na temu de no se ye beti ye di so no o ye de to nchen nti ye se I say the baby na article na ya bambi na watch change was ye part of it ya do bambi and ka wo hwemu pa nka awurade ade die me nyini wasati so betimi asi obi kwa so man nko ni mo dani dan ya Nyankopon fa won so tu ya fo kasa kire se de beye na ya fo fa wo ha no me na tu ya bra bo so ti o mo kire ye na emom se ade anka nipa ya adwen se ye bi suro awurade de di nkai na afi ya hwe na hyede di so a ye ba ya adwen se ya ba je awurade didi a bibi o mbi ye jani na emom nam se ye ntin nya bibi a ye wo mu ana the same time ye ti aso de me ye kwa awurade didi na man ko bi se ni nipa ba ka fa me no de ko na so nipa na nwa de wo achi ngenya zenga boni adosu obi ase nipa ni se do ri ye ni ka ye enso no de ye ko fa ho sanse de ye nipa bewu nipa timi yale normal team enti bibisi a ye hu gentio ko se nipa no ya de ha ye ye mum se nka de anka ya sacha ya adwo ya kuma mu a ne kwasem ni ke besuru wade ene na asem ene ya de ka ka betima ka fa ho
man kwansa Robin Pacho Janso na mi brief kakra next week no ye betwa so e program bi a ye twa so a ya to ne din say let it go mano manenko jemu manenka don't pay evil to evil and I yeshia babedu sabre say let it go no ewo abusua ne abusua mo yere ne ekunu emma ene eja enamfo mu nyame fie let it go who will be against your brother or your sister say nyame ansem can say so wo bibi tia onipa bi wo na wo nua bi kra na wo correction kra no enkoto afori buchi ene mo eno ho na ye treat na ye part 2 next week ye besa to aso nti me person ka be prepare let it go adenti na ye tumi enfanche na nso no ye carry ani manyame so mpa ye kwa so de na ma no be see say urade adidi wunim say you have something against someone na wa pretend say ni pa na wo honti no sane o kan no nsuro urade nti me kwa akodi na ye besi bia anye de yensi da the consequence ye de nti prepare next week na bra na ebe support your program
Martin Jamisha we
Inshallah
papa
enti no de be kan say ye mfansi ya na next week ya to aso na me kire rom kakra ansa na de atiefo abe so ati asefi se di ama manso akasi nyina arewo okofie bi mu a ye fu ba kuma manso
divided
and to quad group I say anafo de na fo ntem kra de bitimi to so de bi ba we de minu hia ite no ko be
say me wo bi
na we de enuafo ntem omo wo na we na afi manso kesie pa na competition kese dia be da wo kire manso bi abeto ade ketua bi ese kiesi je man ka na busua ni nya busua no afi unko no asem ketua bi ntino na aka manual anannuafo de wo ho ni nyina nti wo ma na eba no wo so abeka ho wo na no wo so abeka ho afo be he no na ye continuously abusua no no wo be bia wo na nankanso anu nyina no afi manso na de abeka wo no eno ne ade a be se treat na ye share ho ade me hu se ye nyem manenka because forgive and forget anya sa ko na nim no edi sunsuanso bo ne beba wuwu akiri no ebeto aso wo nkiri maso enti onyame nkyira we next week ye be ka asem foforo bi pa wo bible mu Emma wo let it go ho asem pa a ebetimi aboa enti ye be hiem. May
God bless you for today. Aha na ye dey be see me predict to one hour share yes say if anyone want to sponsor us with this program we welcome you. Yani ebe so se obeba be sponsor program no na etumi ayede aboa na akwa anim ese yankwati ahaba ye mre nyina no ye drum mre nyina ayede esika na yesra mo se sane program betimi aduru akiri enti no momra maboa ye na program no entumi nyede enko nanim enti if anyone want to sponsor the program ye ni gi ho ye ma welcome so baba ye uko YouTube a obetumi subscribe to LP Vida Boating Obope Ebeyi Ama baby abebo boy ya Facebook on Sabeka YouTube on Sabeka Instagram and also ewo hono mo LP Vida Boating wonya boy ya Ebeyi edi ama na wa follow program ye de ye ni nyina say ye church ne ma bebre de ewo sometimes ewade na nso no se wonya time na wo tenase na wutia ebeboa wo bebre ama won so no Onyame bi asesa onyame hira sofo sai boache onyame hira sofo Felix baby awobia ya daja ko onyame onhira wona mo hwe ye nyina mo amom de mo comments ba nyina baby amwobia onyame onhira mo na onka mo ho mo share video no na adofo mo so nye dai enye nhira wo any comment dia obetimi afre number 0794 7616351 number when number o pesa wo de message bi aba wo de fa ho a yensa ebetumi aka onyame nka mo ho mechia asafo nyina ene nyame asofo we love you so much bye bye.